Hey guys, it's Ryan and we have a special thing. It's well, it's from the earth. It's clay. See, it's the Angry Birds clay orange bird. Jump! Wait for it. I'm done. He puffs up into a big fat guy. We haven't built him yet, but soon we will build him. Okay, here's his body. He has some teeth sticking out in his beak. He has his black bottom. He has his black eyes, like your space super red bird. You put white on his eyes right here. Not right there, right here, and then you put an eye dot. He got the eyebrows really hard because you have to put just sticks. A skin was my only hope. You have to put it was hard. Okay. We got his back tail. And here's his hair. He sounds like spiky hair. Yeah. 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 So that was how's the orange bird. Please comment and subscribe.